Hi guys, as some of you have already noticed, when we released the JavaScript version of CheckiO and added features for coding teachers, we fell behind on creating mission on the game. Now it's time to bring it back. In order to create your missions on CheckiO, you need to have access to the missions dashboard, which means you should be either at level 9 or if you have a good mission ideas, just send me a message and I give you an access. Here is how it works. Use pip to install CheckiO task tester tool, and it is better to use Python 3 by the way. During the first launch you will have to install a testing key. It will be used for CheckiO server communication. You can get a key on the mission dashboard. Now create a mission in folder My New Mission. The tester tool created a folder and all necessary files into this folder. All you have left to do is to edit those files. Launch the tester tool again, but this time with only one argument: path to the mission folder we want to test. The last step is to open the mission URL and check how it looks. All the changes will be applied immediately. You only need to refresh the page. That's it. We can also use the tester with already created CheckiO mission. At the bottom of every mission you can find a link to a Git repository. Okay, now let me show you what is inside of the mission folder. We have seen task description HTML already. Task short description HTML contains a very short description of the mission and it will be shown on a station page. Media contains all the images of mission description. In order to link them, we are using a special media prefix. Speaking of special cases, right now CheckiO supports two programming languages for solving coding puzzle: Python and JavaScript. Both of those languages are using the same repository. Using if tag, we can separate different code examples for different languages. Initial code in editor folder contains initial codes for different languages. Animation is responsible for showing results to user. You may need to change the several options here, which we will get back to later. The last main folder I want to cover here before we go through the actual practical cases is verification. Here you can find all the scripts that test your code. RefRepy, the main testing engine. On the current level you just want to change only several options here. TestPy contains all the tests and you will definitely change this file. That's it for showing the basic structure of mission folder. Let's maybe create one more simple mission where you need to find how many times one string can be found in another string. Let's first change the mission description with a couple examples here. We should describe an input and output parameters, but I will try to do everything very briefly. Now let's change our initial code of JavaScript and both Python version. Copy our function names into animation and verification folder. The last step is creating tests. Let's test how it works now. Now the mission is ready to be published on CheckiO. We should make a public Git repository for it. Here's your URL. You can use it to publish your new mission on GitHub. After refreshing page, you will find your mission folder published on GitHub. Now you should use HTTPS URL to show mission to CheckiO. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to share your new mission to community of authors. Now if you want to update your mission after it has been shared, you can easily update the mission through the GitHub interface and click Sync button in CheckiO dashboard. You can also go to your local folder. Command git pull will get all the recent changes. As you can see, all the changes are applied. Thank you and see you on CheckiO.